I want to shout out you. Yes, you, my subscribers. Guys, whew, it is hot out here, man. For science. For science. For science. Hey, everybody. What's up? You know who it is. It's Big Mike with BZ Cooks. Yesterday, I was watching my girl Ina Garten over at Barefoot Contessa, and she made this delicious dish, and I said, I have to try that. So we're gonna do a dish by my girl over at Barefoot Contessa, crispy chicken thighs in a mustard sauce. Let's get it. All right, so the first of our ingredients is gonna be 6 boneless chicken thighs. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of coarse grain mustard. We got 1 onion sliced thinly. We've got some creme fraiche. Now, if you don't have that, you can use sour cream. We got 1 bottle of Pinot Grigio white wine. Any white wine will do. We've got some fresh black peppercorns and some kosher salt. Pretty much you want to make sure that your thighs are dry, completely dry, guys. All right, now that we've made sure our chicken thighs are dry, we're going to season them on both sides, okay? Once we're done with that, guys, we're going to get a hot cast iron skillet with about a tablespoon or 2 of some olive oil in there, okay? And we're gonna cook that for 15 minutes. Do not move the chicken. Do not move this chicken, you guys. Leave it in there for 15 minutes. As much as you think it's going to burn, it is not. Leave it there.
15 minutes later.
Okay, guys, so after the first 15 minutes, you're gonna flip your chicken onto the meat side down, and you're gonna cook that for another 15 minutes as well. Okay, now that we've turned our chicken meat side down, we're gonna add our onions, okay? So we're gonna cook these onions down for the last 15 minutes of this. Notice I'm trying to get all of the onions touching the pan because we want these to cook down, okay? Once we're done with that, and it's cooked down for that last 15 minutes, go ahead and remove your chicken from the pan to a separate plate, all right? So as you can see here, we're done. Get a look at that. Man, that looks good. Okay, so we're gonna take our wine. Not gonna add much, maybe a tablespoon or 2. This is just to deglaze our pan, all right? And it's gonna add flavor to it as well. So stir that around, get those nice bits, those nice cooked bits off the bottom of the pan. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna add our creme fraiche. Now, if you don't have creme fraiche, use sour cream, it's okay. It's got somewhat of the same flavor, if not almost identical. Creme fraiche is just a little bit more creamier, but let's go ahead and add that in there. And then we're gonna add our tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Right after that, we're gonna add our teaspoon of whole grain mustard. Now take your wooden spoon and stir that around, mix it up really good. This is gonna be our sauce, guys. This is what's gonna set this chicken off. Stir that in, and then we're gonna add our chicken back in, okay? And let it simmer in that sauce for maybe a good 5 or 10 minutes, guys, and we are pretty much done. This chicken is ready to serve over a bed of rice with veggies or just by itself. Hey guys, I told you, super easy to make. This is really flavorful chicken and something you can throw together really quick. So, let me let you get a look at that. All right, so as we always say on the BZ Cooks channel, guys, we gotta give this a taste. The science. Let's get into it. I'm gonna get a little bit of sauce on there. Let's get into it. Really, really, really nice crispy skin. Gives us some great texture. This is very, very juicy chicken, and that skin is perfectly crispy. Let's go in for another bite, guys. Let's go in from this side. Oh, that skin. Nice and crispy, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you're new to this channel, stop playing with your life, y'all. Subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button. Share it with your friends, guys. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. So, without further ado, guys, I'm gonna sign off and finish this dish. This is Big Mike with BZ Cooks. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.